Hello and welcome back to Snom Marble Competition 6. We're here with event 11, Ice Hockey. So, here are our current standings. The Cobalts were each shrunk by 1 point. The last event, the Midnight Wisps jumped up 2 spots in the second with a gold. And so we'll see a test one. So, so in this event, you guys try and score as much as possible. The 2 cores to score. And so we're going to the first one here. Chocolate Tears, they'll score 1. And so now Christmas Cheers. So it's Chocolate Cheers versus Christmas Cheers in this one. And Christmas Cheers, and they're gonna get 1 as well. The keeper able to save that other one. Basically, whoever gets the highest score here will be the one who advances. Now we have the second one for the Chocolate Cheers. Now we get 1 here, so you hope the Christmas Cheers score 1 or 0. They want to stay in this. Because she was that one we score 1. That one lucky to be able to get there. It was just got in. So now we have extra time. So Chocolatiers what can they do here? And they're gonna get 2. The other one almost rolled back as well, but won't go in. Stopped just before. Now it means that Chocolatiers has to score 2 or more. Stay in this. And the keeper will save that one. They almost scored 2, but the keeper with the save will give the win to Chocolatiers in advancement. Now again, the second one, the Snowballs and the Baby Blue. The Snowballs, they'll score 1 there. So basically, it just depends on who can score most. Sort of them, but in the Baby Blue, they're gonna miss everything. Straight through the middle. Now we have the Snowballs here, so if they can score 2 or more, they basically close us out here. And they gotta score 2. The Baby Blue, they're gonna need a miracle here. They need to score all 3, and looking at that first one, it doesn't look likely. They gotta score 2, they can't get the third one there. Third one goes in the wrong angle, and they're gonna go out there, it's 3-2. Now get the third one, we've got the Rangers and the Sandstorm. And the Rangers up first, and they're gonna score 2. We've only seen people score 1 in the first one, so now that's actually the most we've seen. The Sandstorm, that one just sneaks in. That one almost missed. Hit the edge, just goes the right way. So now the Rangers, the second quarter. What can they do here? They only got to score 1. They hit the other one, but just didn't move. It wouldn't budge. Now we'll get 1 here, which means the Sandstorm, they've got a chance. 2 or more here, and they gotta get 2. That one came in way. I will bump it, and they'll get 2 here, so we'll go into extra time. Yeah, Rangers now. What can they do? And they gotta get 2, so looking good for them. They've got 5 now. What can the Sandstorm do? Can they get 2? Can they get straight here and advance? Will they get 2 and go into another call of extra time? They're gonna miss everything. Straight through the middle. So now we get into the next team. We've got the Blizzard Blasters and Snowy Forest. The Blizzard Blasters, they got to score 2 here. So good stuff for them. And that's the Snowy Forest now. What can they do? And they almost missed, they missed them all. The final one came in, knocked those 2, but only able to get 1 in. So now we have the second one for the Blizzard Blasters. What can they get here? They're gonna get all 3 and close it out. Beautiful idea, and they're gonna advance, guaranteed. And Snowy Falls, they're only gonna get 2 there. They're only gonna get 1 there, so 5-3. What a 1 by 5-2, but what a 1 by the Blizzard Blasters there. They had the Winter Icicles, that's the Meteorites, and the Winter Icicles, they only get 1. One of them was saved by the keeper. See, that ends up mattering here, but the Meteorites now, what can they do in the first quarter? They missed them all, and then one just decided. No, they bumped that one and was just wiggled and then decided to come free. So now the Winter Icicles, their second shot here. And they're gonna get 1. Yeah, so that finished with a score of 2. So now, Meteorites, can they get 2 or more here? They're gonna get 2. And they will advance, and that one that was saved by the keeper will come back to bite the Winter Icicles here. And that will cost them advancement. So now we've got the Midnight Wisps and Night Stars. And Midnight Wisps, they're going to miss everything. That's not looking good for the team that's in second here. There's still like a huge gap. 21 points back to the Kobolds. And now look at the Night Stars do. They knocked them all, but they're only able to get one in. One to the far corner, one saved by the keeper. And the three of them just cleared away in one. And then Midnight West the second one. Can they sneak through here? They're only gonna knock one. This does not look good for them. I don't think they're gonna make it. The Kobolds, they've got a chance to extend their lead here. Now Night Stars, what can they do? They're gonna miss everything. Two of the different angles and one saved by the keeper. The Night Stars, they might choke this. The Midnight West, they've got another chance here and they're gonna score one. The Night Stars, if they choke this and score 0 here, that would be huge. And they've jumped on the fourth one as well, and they're gonna miss everything. The Night Stars have choked it. No, Jungle Jumpers versus the Hazers. And what can we see here? In Jungle Jumpers, they're gonna score 2. They almost got the third one off, but just wouldn't budge. And Hazers, they get one. No, they didn't. It got the keeper. The final one tried to force it through, but the keeper was just too good and saved it. Now Jungle Jumpers, they're gonna score 2 there. 4-0, and they're gonna advance here. The Hazers, they can't do anything about that. It's gonna hurt. They're gonna score 1 here, but that's just not good at all. That's probably gonna put them in last. We're now getting the final heat here. Got the Kobolds and the Eggs. The Kobolds, the current leaders in the standings. If they can get good event here, it's not gonna look good for anyone else chasing them. And they'll get 2 on the first one. And then now the Eggs. They got their able to get their first medal in the last event. But they're not gonna do anything here. They're gonna miss them all. And it does not look good. The Kobolds now just have to score 2 here. Now advance. And they've only had 1 bomb half fish this whole season. And they're gonna get 2. Almost 3. The keeper saves that one. But that would have hurt. That would have gone in. Now we have the Eggs here. And they're gonna score 2. They're just gonna get them through. That one, I thought I saw one get caught by the keeper, but it didn't. Here's nice through 16. And the Hazers, they're gonna get last here. And now and here's our bucket there. We've got Chocolatiers and Snowballs here for the first quarterfinal. The Chocolatiers, they'll only get 1. I think one was saved by the keeper there. It's kind of hard to tell in the lighting now. We've got the Snowballs now. What can they do here? And that's gonna be a double by the keeper. Double saved by the keeper and 1 to the corner. That is gotta hurt. It doesn't look good for them now. Now Chocolatiers, their second shot. And they're gonna get 2. That one looked like it should be saved. What happened there? The Chocolatier, who was up against the keeper, just bumps it in. That is so lucky. Now Snowballs, they look stuffed. And they're gonna go scores 3. They're not gonna get unlucky this time. They missed them. They hit all 3 last time and just missed. And they all missed. Double save by the keeper. And now this time they're gonna score all 3. And the Chocolatiers are gonna miss it. The Snowballs, they might be able to get a redemption here. But will they? And they will! The Snowballs! Redemption! After that first quarter, they will get redemption and they will advance here. Now the Rangers and the Blizzard Blasters. The Rangers, they're going to score 1 here. So now Blizzard Blasters, what can they do here? And they're going to get 2. So, good start here for the Blizzard Blasters. Now, can they hold on? And now, so the Rangers second quarter here. They need to score at least 2 to be able to advance, and they're gonna get 2 here. So now, depending on what the Blizzard Blasters can do, depending if they advance or not. 1 or more, and they're only gonna get 1 there. That one just lucky at least. It looked like it wasn't gonna budge, but just did. So now the Rangers, we are in extra time. What can the Rangers score big here? They're gonna get 1, almost 2. And that one might come back to hurt them. That one's saved by the keeper. The Blizzard Blasters, and it will. 2 for the Blizzard Blasters, and that's gonna hurt. That's saved by the keeper, proving crucial. Now we're getting into the next quarterfinal. We've got the Meteorites and the Midnight Wisps. And the Meteorites there. They'll get 2 here. Now Midnight Wisps, after sneaking through somehow. And now they're not even going to get one here either. There's no way they're going to do it again. The Meteorites, will they be able to shut them down here? They won't want it, and they're going to get 3 here. The Midnight Wisps, there's no way they're going to do it. They're going to have to do what the Snowballs in. I don't think they will. If they sneak through again, it'll be surprising. Say the least. And now we're going to get 2. The final one does not come off, and the Meteorites will advance here. Midnight Wisps unable to sneak through, and now I've just got to hope the Kobolds don't advance here. They're up against the Jungle Jumpers, which means there's a pretty good chance. But Jungle Jumpers, they're not going to score. 2 to 2 outside, and then 1 saved by the Keeper. And the Kobolds, this gives them a big chance to advance to the semi-finals here. If they can get a good score. And they're going to only get 1. 1 again, saved by the Keeper. 1 to the far side, but another will get past. Now Jungle Jumpers need to score big here if they want to advance. But 1 saved by the Keeper, only going to get 1. The Kobolds just need to score 1 to advance to the final. Can they do it? Can they do it? Yes, they can! That 1 hits the corner. 1 was saved, the other one hits the corner and just goes the right way. That will advance. And 5th through 8th, the Rangers, they'll get 5th. And so here's our bracket now. We're getting the semi-finals. The Snowballs and the Blizzard Blasters. Snowballs after reverse 3-0ing the Chocolatiers. And they're not going to get anything here. They'll have to do the same as last time here. The Blizzard Blasters. And the Blizzard Blasters now, they're going to go and they're going to get 2. So, not looking good for the Snowballs so far. But anything can happen here. And now we're going to get... No, we're going to get 1! It looks like they might have got 2, but 1 was saved by the Keeper. And the Blizzard Blasters will advance. Now, it doesn't matter what they score here. They advance to the final anyway. But they got to score 2. So no matter what, even if they scored 2, it wouldn't matter. No matter what they scored, it didn't matter. The Blizzard Blasters just closed them out. And the Meteorites and the Kobolds. The Meteorites, double save there! That's gonna hurt. What? That second one came down late, but just not going to get there. And now the Kobolds. What can they do here? Advance to the final, and they're gonna extend that lead massively. Only gonna get 1. That other one just comes free way. And now the Meteorites need to score at least 1. But can they do it? They're gonna miss everything! The Kobolds are through to the final! This is looking bad now. This is absolute domination by the Kobolds in this tournament. And now what are they gonna do here? They're gonna miss everything as well. Like, we don't need to try here, we're just gonna miss everything. But they're through to the final, so now we're getting the 3rd place match. We've got the Snowballs and the Meteorites. And Snowballs, they're gonna score 3! Beautifully done by the Snowballs. And they're the only team that scores 3 in this whole thing, and they've scored it twice. It's 3 and 1-1. And the Meteorites don't only get 1 there. The second one goes to the far side. Well, the 3rd one just doesn't move. Shook a lot, but just wouldn't go. Now Snowballs, can they close this out here? They will get 1. So the Meteorites, they have a chance here, but they need to score 3. And there's only been 1. And the Snowballs are the only team to do it, and they're up against them. Can they do it, but... That would be nice, but they're only going to get 1. They're only going to knock 1 off, and that will be the only one to get. But the Snowballs, they will get the bronze. And they're getting the final. Can the Blizzard Blasters shut down the Kobolds? A gold here would be huge for the Kobolds and pretty bad for everyone else. And the Blizzard Blasters, they're going to get none in the first round. This is all for the Kobolds here. They could just begin to close this tournament up. Start wrapping it up, and they're going to get 2. 2, I did see the second one. He went to the far corner. But the Kobolds, they will get 2 here. And now the Blizzard Blasters, they need to get 2 or more here to stay in it. They're only going to get 1. The Kobolds have got another gold. This is looking all Kobolds, this tournament. And they're just absolutely destroying everything. And they're going to miss everything in. It just doesn't even matter. They've got the gold anyway. 2-1. And another gold for the Kobolds. That's 2 of each medal, I'm pretty sure. And here's our podium. But the Kobolds, they're just looking dominating. 37-point lead. Absolutely huge. And as we get ready for the next event, curling.